Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Oh God, I wish Bob Harlan's crystal ball was broken. It's going to be triple digits today here in Sutter County, California. I'll get back to that. Last night, we were in Switzerland for the culinary expedition. I followed this recipe to the letter, other than cutting in half, to the letter. Zur Torte, also known as Swiss meat pie. I've been asked, would I make this again? Only if I casual chefed it. No pepper, no garlic. I can't claim the crust on this because that was Pillsbury. I can follow directions. Most of the time. Pork, beef, bacon, and marjoram, and a little bit of salt. Yeah. But I tried it. We'll see if I can fit Switzerland in later on this year. Try it, but make it your own. Because if I make it again, I will make it my own. Fortunately, my crystal ball was working when I set my menu for this week. Because I'm going to leave the first word off because there's really nothing creamy about this. It's an avocado pasta salad. Robin and I are actually making a day trip. She gets off work early today, so we're taking a little trip to West Sacramento to one of our favorite stores, IKEA. Yeah. I already have a shopping list. Oops. So we're going to come back and have dinner. This avocado pasta salad. So, simple meal. It's going to be nice and chilled. I'll add the avocado when I get back home. But yeah, this is going to be perfect for the first triple-digit day here in Sutter County. All right, let's get to it. Hardware's going. Simple. I mean, other than a bowl, mixing bowl, and a presentation bowl, Dutch oven to cook the pasta, colander, drain the pasta. We're going with tricolor rotini. I got a couple avocados. They were nice, basically nice and firm when I bought them last Saturday. They are perfect for today. Kosher salt, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil. I will use probably a third or so of this English cucumber. I will dice this half red onion or purple onion, if you will. Some red wine vinegar. Some feta. It's been kind of, it's been kicking around. Some lime juice, some grape tomatoes, some garlic powder, some cilantro, and just a little bit of Szechuan chili flakes for just a bit of kick. That's a new addition to my library, by the way, Szechuan pepper flakes. So here's the goodies for tonight's cool, coldish meal. If you live in the heat like we do, stay hydrated. Water. With that, a little bit of advice. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.